Hi friends, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious button mushroom braised potatoes recipe. I hope you will like it. Few people may combine potatoes and mushrooms. In fact, potatoes can also be stewed with mushrooms so that the potatoes taste more delicious and the mushrooms have a very smooth texture. There is also a lot of soup, so it goes very well with rice. Let's start cooking. Ingredients are potatoes, button mushrooms, and ginger. Chopped ginger. Cubes potatoes. Button mushroom wash and set aside. Stir-fry chopped ginger until fragrant. Add potatoes cubes. Add button mushrooms. Season to taste and stir-fry. Pour hot water to slightly cover ingredients. Simmer until the soup is reduced and the potatoes become soft. Remember to stir-fry occasionally to prevent the bottom from burning. It's time to plate. First, select the mushrooms and place them in another bowl. First, spread the potato pieces on the bottom of the plate and then arrange the mushrooms on the potatoes. Does it look better? Let's eat. Wow, look at that. It's so appetizing and smell so good. Mushrooms and potatoes are really delicious with this recipe. If you haven't tried it yet, remember to give it a try. I believe you will also like it too. Optional to add pepper powder for better taste. It is recommended that potatoes be cut into small pieces like mine, which will make them easier to cook and easier to eat. A bite-sized potato with mushrooms is really delicious. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Potatoes are also an alkaline vegetable, which is beneficial to the acid-base balance in the body and neutralizes the acidic substances produced after metabolism in the body, thus having certain beautifying and anti-aging effects. People who eat potatoes regularly are healthy and age slowly. Potatoes can also lower blood sugar and blood lipids, promote the digestive system, maintain the elasticity of blood vessels, and help prevent the occurrence of atherosclerosis. Potatoes contain a lot of starch and cellulose. Excessive consumption will stimulate the secretion of gastric acid. If you suffer from digestive tract diseases, such as gastritis, gastrointestinal ulcers, diarrhea, etc., it will make the condition worse. People with renal insufficiency, the acid excretion function of the kidneys is blocked, and acidic toxins cannot be eliminated from the body, which can cause metabolic acidosis. Pregnant women can eat potatoes, but they must pay attention to the amount. Potatoes are a very good high potassium and low sodium food, which is very suitable for people with edema type obesity. In addition, potatoes are rich in potassium, which is almost the highest among vegetables, so they also have the effect of slimming legs. Mushrooms not only taste good, but are also rich in nutrients. They can be called high-protein and low-fat foods. They are rich in amino acids, vitamins, etc., necessary for the human body. 200. You can eat up to 200 grams of mushrooms per month because mushrooms have a particularly strong ability to accumulate heavy metals, but the human body has no mechanism to excrete heavy metals. Over time, these heavy metals will accumulate in the renal tubules, and in severe cases, they may even cause renal tubular necrosis. Ginger contains volatile aloe, gingerol, and other ingredients, which can promote blood circulation in the human body, excite the nervous system, help dispel wind and cold, and enhance the digestive function of the gastrointestinal tract. It is best not to consume more than 5 grams of ginger per day. Eating a little ginger in the morning is good for health. However, eating it at night is not suitable because ginger is inherently hot and can cause internal heat and harm the body. Drinking ginger soup every morning can effectively prevent colds, refresh the mind, relieve sore throat, and increase appetite. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I like Easy Recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Thanks for watching. See you in next video.